Hello everyone, myself Dr. Aditya Gupta. In this video, I wanted to talk about how do you revise faster basically. If you have already done reading, or if even if you're doing a first reading for the first time, how do you actually make sure that you do the most important things in the most important manner and do them fast? Okay, since NEET PG is just 4 or 5 months around the corner, and it's fully possible that you don't have the time to do in-depth reading at this point of time. Ideally, obviously, you should have started just after the May exam, but let's say you started just now. So ideally, the thing is that you do your first and second prof in 8 days. You do your final long subjects, your medicine surgery in 10 to 12 days. You do your short subjects in 3 to 5 days. But let's say you have to do your short subjects in just 2 days each. Okay, so how do you do it? So the answer is simple. You do it with the help of the retrograde method. I've talked this method before in one of my previous videos. I'll just explain it in a different mode. The retrograde method simply says कि previous year question उठाओ, previous year question को solve करो, previous year question की explanation देखो और आगे बढ़ो. This method will only work for two types of subjects. First, which are very strong subjects. Subjects which you are very strong at, which you have already done thoroughly. For them to, in order to revise, you just need to do the previous year questions because you already have in-depth knowledge about that subject. So reading that entire subject again from your notes is actually a waste of time. You can directly practice that subject with the help of previous year questions and move on. That's as far as strong subjects is concerned. As far as weak subjects are concerned, if you really have zero knowledge about a particular subject, then you should at least have a basal amount of knowledge about that subject. And what's more important than basal knowledge about that subject, except more than the previous year questions? Because previous year questions के ही तो chances होते हैं repeat होने के. So let's say you have to do anesthesia derma in 1 or 2 days each, and let's say you're someone who's using PrepLadder. तो सबसे पहले PrepLadder में जाओ. PrepLadder का one really good thing about PrepLadder is कि PrepLadder actually has given previous year क्वेश्चन टॉपिक वाइज. इससे बताओ क्या पता चलता है. अगर मॉड्यूल्स देखोगे ना तो हर मॉड्यूल में 20 से 30 क्वेश्चन तुम्हें मिल जाएंगे इररिस्पेक्टिव ऑफ द प्लेटफॉर्म. बट अगर तुम प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चंस देखोगे ना हर मॉड्यूल के बाद प्रेप्लाडर में टॉपिक वाइज, यू विल रियलाइज किस टॉपिक की कंपैरेटिव वेटेज ज़्यादा है. For example, if let's say you want to do anesthesia, if you do pre-anesthetic evaluation, you realize that there's only one previous year question. But if you see oxygen therapy and airway, you realize there are 11 previous year questions. So let's say you want to do anesthesia in just 2 days. So day 1 should be spent on doing all the previous year question, writing their explanations down, plain and simple. And in the process of doing this previous year questions, you will also realize कि अच्छा ऑक्सीजन थेरेपी एंड एयरवे में प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन प्रेप्लाडर में 11 दिए हुए हैं. तो इसका मतलब ये टॉपिक ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है. मे बी if you have some amount of time left, you can solve थोड़े extra questions related topics से question of oxygen therapy and airway rather than wasting your time on pre-anesthetic evaluation, for example, because it's not as important as oxygen therapy and airway in the current scenario. एंड अगर तुम्हें कभी लगता है कि ये टॉपिक है मेरे को बिल्कुल ही नहीं समझ में आया, आई कुड नॉट अंडरस्टैंड फ्रॉम द एक्सप्लेनेशन ऑफ दैट पर्टिकुलर टॉपिक, देन द नेक्स्ट डे यू कैन डू द रैपिड रिविजन वीडियोज, अंडरस्टैंड द टॉपिक एंड यू ऑलरेडी हैव डन द क्वेश्चंस इन द लास्ट डे. सो इन दिस वे you can actually complete a subject 50 to 60%. I'm not saying that you will get all the 100% questions correct, but since you have to revise the subject in a very fast manner that you actually get a decent enough of accuracy, 60-70%. See, you can cover it up with making 80 to 90% in other subjects. You just need to get 70% to crack the exam, right? So if there should be no subject which is zero. You should at least get it to the level of 50 to 60%. उसके लिए previous year questions are actually more than enough. तो anesthesia तुमने करना है, let's assume, तो आज प्रेप्लाडर लिस्ट से खोलो, प्रीवियस ईयर टॉपिक्स जाओ, तुम्हें खुद पता चल जाएगा ये ज़्यादा प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन आए हुए हैं. जैसे इसमें मैंने देखा है ऑक्सीजन थेरेपी में ज़्यादा आए हुए हैं, इसको ज़्यादा फोकस करना है, प्री-एनेस्थेटिक्स को थोड़ा कम करना है. सारे प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करो, उनके नोट्स लिख लो, ऑलरेडी नोट्स है तो नोट्स में मार्क कर लो, एंड दैट्स इट, योर टॉपिक इज डन. अगर कुछ चीज़ समझ नहीं आई है देन ओनली रेफर टू द रैपिड रिविजन वीडियोस, क्योंकि वो जल्दी खत्म हो जाएंगे. द रैपिड रिविजन वीडियोस आर जस्ट 2.5 hours. So you can actually next day just do the rapid revision videos. You have already done the previous year question, and if you find that one particular topic is being emphasized again and again, उसके मॉड्यूल को सॉल्व कर लो. So in this way, the more important topics you have done them more thoroughly. The less important topics you have not done that much, but you have done everything in the help of the rapid revision, right? Let's say कोई strong subject है, let's say तुम्हारा physio बहुत strong है, तो कुछ नहीं करना है. यहाँ पे गए प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन देखे, INICET जुलाई 2011 है, नीट PG 2071 है, 2020 के पेपर हैं. FMG मत करना, FMG की ज़रूरत नहीं है तुम्हें. इनको सॉल्व करो और आगे बढ़ो. यू ऑलरेडी हैव अ स्ट्रॉन्ग कमांड ओवर द सब्जेक्ट. सो जस्ट सॉल्व द प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन, सी योर नोट्स, add to your notes if there is anything in the previous year question, or mark in your notes itself what is there in the previous year question. अगर कोई टॉपिक अभी तुम्हें समझ नहीं आता तो मेन वीडियोस जो है प्रेप्लाडर की उनकी तब उस समय देख लो. समझ गए? So that's how you revise faster. you solve previous year question. Good thing about Prepladder being topic wise है, but obviously other platforms को भी तुम यूज़ कर सकते हो. तो टॉपिक वाइज देने से तुम्हें पता चलेगा कौन सा टॉपिक ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है. उसके थोड़े बहुत मॉड्यूल सॉल्व कर लो. कुछ समझ नहीं आया तो नेक्स्ट दिन रैपिड रिविजन के वीडियोस देख लो. वर्सेस अगर कोई बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग सब्जेक्ट है तो सिर्फ प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करो, अपने नोट्स में मार्क करो और आगे बढ़ो. दैट्स हाउ यू रिवाइज फास्टर. Okay. Similarly, I want to emphasize towards the end of this video an Instagram handle, Post-it Medicine. Dr. Shreya, she really gives really good, how to complete a subject in 2, 3, 4 days. मेरे को अच्छा लगता है. I think you should follow that Instagram handle. तुम्हें थोड़ी बहुत हेल्प तो हो सकती है. So thank you and have a nice day. That's how you revise faster with the help of rapid revision and previous year questions. Thank you.